Traders, hello, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, the 7th of November, and we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Strap in, let's do this. Let's start with the trade that I took yesterday, and it was Euro Swiss franc, and I was buying this pair. Why was I buying this pair? Let me show you. So we was in a downtrend, guys. And now we're in an uptrend. So structurally, we were in an uptrend. Okay. You can also see, you know, these wicks are bullish candle, you know, and a bullish candle that broke these last highs here. So we had lots of, you know, buyers in the market. And the idea was to come down to one of our gray zones and take it back up to here. And that's still what we plan to do as well. If we drop down to the H1, because there was a couple of entries and ways we could have traded this. So first of all, we like this. This was those last daily highs here. Okay. And then what was once resistance becomes very good support. All right. So yeah, like I say, guys, you could have entered on the H1. I'm going to show you how I entered, but there was this H1 candle. Okay, you could have entered here, put your stop below here, take price up to here, you know, take some profit up here. You would have got your risk to reward of 1:1 and then let some profit run. I actually traded this a little bit more aggressively. Mine was an M15 entry, guys. So let me just show you where I entered. So I was just following M15 structure down. Okay, and then once it gets into the gray zone, this is where I'm interested, guys. And as soon as it broke this level through here, that's when I entered. I got a break, a retrace. I entered in here, put my stop below here, and then I took price all the way back up to this 9,650 level. Okay, took some profit. I closed 80% of this trade here, and I'm still in this trade for 20%. And again, guys, if you want to know exactly how and why I entered this pair, then all of my trades are on the VIP Discord channel. So if you want to get my trade ideas as and when they happen, come join the VIP Discord. There's also other perks as well. So yeah, there you go, guys. We're still in Euro Swiss franc. It still hasn't broken this level. Yeah, if it breaks this level, then I think, you know, it's going to break down further. But if this level holds, then you know, we're good. Keep carrying on with this trade. The next trade idea was, there was another Swiss franc pair from yesterday, pound Swiss franc. Obviously, I didn't trade this one because I was in the Euro Swiss franc. But a similar trade, guys. Yeah, we were, you know, in a upward trend. We had nothing but bullish candles. Okay, and the idea was to come back up to here. I probably wouldn't look at this trade today because of this candle, okay, with pound Swiss franc. This would suggest it has more room to come down to. Then it might be attractive. And just, if we look at H1, guys, the thing with this, where did we start looking at this? Yeah, you know, because I was in Euro Swiss franc, I didn't enter this pair. But we did have look, you did have a couple of candles here we could have entered on, you know, and you would have taken profit. But then it quickly receded and come back, guys. So yeah, it was trickier to trade pound Swiss franc. And we've actually broken this low now. So yeah, I'm less inclined to keep buying pound Swiss franc, but Euro Swiss franc still a trade. But yeah, we still had a couple of candles here, guys, you could have entered on and made money. What else were we looking at? And then we was looking at Euro US dollar, pound US dollar. And just with both of these guys, it was just a case of Elvis had left the building. So, you know, clearly, once we broke these levels here, broke out of this range, we were in an uptrend. And we had a nice bullish candle. Yeah. And the idea was to come up to this blue line. Yeah, this target, but we needed a retrace first. And we just didn't get this retrace, guys. Yeah, if we drop down to the H4, you know, you can just see it just flew off. Yeah, we didn't get a chance. If it come down to here, I would be interested. Okay, but it just didn't. And it was the same with pound US dollar as well, guys. If we look at the day chart, Similar scenario, you know, it had broken this high and this high with this bullish candle. We were just trying to take price up to this blue line. Probably not a trade for today as well, guys. Look at that bearish candle. It might want to come lower before it comes higher. But on the H4 again, you know, Elvis had left the building really. Yeah, so it'd come up and then it just left. But now it's, you know, coming back. But I'm still not interested in this trade today. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see what price action does. So yeah, those are all the trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, maybe you took one of the trade ideas, which I give you every day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid, guys. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the vid and the channel. Gracias, dankeschön. Right, so trades for Tuesday, the 7th of November. Before we get started, guys, let me just remind you of a few cool things that the channel does, right? So first of all, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got indicators, books, useful links. Come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. We also have the VIP Discord channel, guys. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you need help. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. Okay, we've got 2 other traders, expert traders sharing their trade ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week, and you get access to a performance coach. And we're test driving a new strategy that's looking very promising. So all of that, guys, is in the VIP Discord channel. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade and read the charts like myself, then drop us an email and I will send you the details of the mentorship program, guys. All right. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch the live stream every day, you watch this analysis vid every day, then you can show your support, guys. Yeah, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and gold membership. Both have loads of perks, guys. Check it out. Support the channel. Finally, guys, don't forget live stream today, New York EST time, guys. All right. So see you for that. Get your questions ready. Trades, that's what you're after, guys. Trades for Tuesday, the 7th of November. So still, guys, I am seeing this Swiss franc weakness in the charts. And again, this is what's driving a few of our trade ideas for today. The first one is this. It is Canadian dollar Swiss franc. And I've started with the weekly chart so you can see this, you know, very higher time frame range that we're in. Yeah, we're just ranging from here to here. Okay, and we're at the bottom of this range, and we've had a very bullish bounce off this level with this weekly candle. All right. So for those reasons, I just wanted to show you the weekly chart, it gives me more reasons to look for buys. Bottom of the range, bullish reaction. If we now go down to the day chart, you can also see, guys, you know, we broke out of this. We broke out of this range that we were in. And then as soon as we do, you know, we're in an uptrend. Okay. Admittedly, we've hit some resistance here. But remember, you know, we can potentially come to the top of this range up here. Okay. But I just like where it's retraced, guys. It's retraced back to the moving average 20 and a piece of, you know, dynamic support. If we drop down to the H4 now, you know, there's this level through here. I thought, you know, we got this level here where price reacted before, but there's also this level through here, guys. You can see just where price keeps reacting through here. Yeah, that makes it a gray zone. So we can put a gray zone through here. Okay, and this gray zone is held. Okay, so we are at the gray zone. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky in terms of H4 structure, but I think we're still in a, you know, we're still holding on to these lows. although we have made a lower high. So H4 structure is not crystal clear, but this is a nice level, and we have lots of room to move into back up to here. Okay, so once we get a bullish reaction off this level, we could start looking for buys back up to here. If we drop down to the H1 now, there is this, like I say, there is this level through here, guys. Yeah, that was once the last, there is this level here, which we need to be aware of. So, if we start entering in here, this could be our first target, and then this potentially back up to here can be our second target. Even, the top of that range, which we, could leave 10% to run for 3 years. But these are all the levels, guys, we need to be aware of. So if we get a nice bullish push out of here, I think we can start buying Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. The next trade idea is another Swiss franc pair, and it's euro Swiss franc. We're still looking to trade this pair as well, guys. Yeah. If we start with the day chart, again, not much has changed, guys. Yeah. We're clearly in a uptrend. Excuse my drawing. Haven't had my vodka this morning yet. So we're in an uptrend, higher lows, higher highs. Yeah. Okay, so we're clearly in an uptrend. And if we zoom in, guys, look, we've had these bullish candles. And although yesterday's was a bit bearish, look at this wick. It's still a rejection of this level. Okay, so this tells me we can still take price back up to here. And again, the levels haven't really changed here, guys. Let's go to the H1. So, what I would do is put this level in, because this is potentially a target now. Okay, but, we get a nice bullish reaction at this grey zone. Let me just zoom out. Yeah, you can see these were those daily highs. This is a nice level for us to buy from. Yeah, so if we get a nice bullish reaction from this zone, we can then take price back up to here, take some profit, if not back up to those daily highs we were talking about. So yeah, euro Swiss franc and Canadian dollar Swiss franc, we're looking to buy this pair. You could even wait for this scenario, but it makes sense to buy from here. But even if we got a break, retest, then we could buy. So euro Swiss franc and CAD Swiss franc, they're the two trades I'm looking at. I am looking at one more trade. But before I show you guys, if I could just ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel right now. Yeah. Everyone, please smash the like button right now. Really support the channel. And don't forget all the cool things we do. Free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship program, and Simply Forex YouTube membership. All of this is in the video description. Euro New Zealand dollar. I know this contradicts. We had this conversation yesterday with the on the live stream, but I do like Euro New Zealand dollar. Yeah, because if we look at structure on the day chart, yeah, we have broken down. We was in a box of indecision, a box of consolidation, and we've broke these lows. We're actually in a downtrend, and price has broken down below this moving average 20. Okay, so I would suggest we could take price back down to the next piece of support. Yeah, makes sense. I'm going to put this in as a target. Okay, so we could take price back down to here. So yeah, I do like this trade, guys. I know it contradicts euro Swiss franc, but all I'm really saying is Swiss franc's the weakest, and New Zealand dollar's stronger than the euro. All right, and yeah, I like this level. So let's take a quick look at this level in more detail. So you can see we're at this, what was once support, yeah, becomes good resistance. Okay, so the idea would be to take price back down to these last lows, even a little bit further. Okay, so it depends what we see in here, guys. So let's take a look at the H1 now. But I'm going to put this in as a level. As a level through here. Okay, if we drop down to the H1 now, I mean, you could trade this aggressively, start selling it now on this H1 candle, or, we wait for this low here to break. Yeah, we get a break of this low, and then we can start selling euro New Zealand dollar. But yeah, I really like the level of this pair as well, guys. All right, so I'm going to include this as a trade idea as well. So there you go, guys. Those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 7th of November, guys. So not much overnight, guys, but some of you may not be up for this. I am, but in 20 minutes or so, guys, we have got the interest rate decision of Australia. Okay, so most of you will probably wake up to the aftermath of this, but this is obviously very important news, guys, for any Aussie dollar pair. So they're expecting a 25 basis points increase. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. And also the statement's very important here as well, guys. So yes, big news. And then after that, guys, we haven't we haven't got any other 3-star ratings that we need to worry about. So yeah, just the Aussie interest rate decision today, guys. Have a great trading day. If you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join us for the live stream later on. We're doing the podcast tonight. And I will see you later, guys.